Meditation for energy and wakefulness. Begin by breathing in deeply, feeling energy flowing into you. Breathe out, feeling fatigue leave you. Continue breathing in and out. As the air fills your lungs, energy courses through your body. As you exhale, tiredness and tension leave. Focus on your breath. Bring energy and positivity into your body. Push negativity away from you. Positivity in, negativity out. With every breath, you are becoming more energized. You are alert, passionate, focused. Let the energy in you continue to grow and build. You are energetic, alive, and ready to seize the moment. Make fists and squeeze them tightly. As you squeeze, feel the strength in your hands and arms. Now open your hands, letting the muscles relax. Make fists again, and then open your hands. Do this several times, feeling your muscles pulse with energy. Excitement and anticipation are building in you. Energy is coursing through you. Rub the palms of your hands together. Feel the warmth and friction between them. You are alert and energized. Now, move your feet up and down, lifting the front of your feet up, then push down with your feet, straightening your toes. Repeat this, moving your feet up and down. The muscles in your legs are waking up. Feel the energy in your toes, feet, and legs. Put your hands on your thighs and rub them up and down your legs. As you rub your thigh muscles, energy and warmth flow through them. Put your hands into your lap and feel how energized you are. Now, stand up with your hands down by your sides. You are alert, energized, and motivated. Lift your right arm and stretch it as high as possible. Breathe in as you lift your arm. Now lower your arm and breathe out. Repeat this process with your left arm. Do this several more times. Stand still for a moment, feeling powerful deep in your core. You are strong, alert, and energized, ready for whatever the day brings you. If you find your energy waning at any point in the day, repeat this meditation.